Hi everyone, it's Angela from Rhythm Wigs by Headspace NC. Welcome to another Maintenance Monday. You're not going to see me today. You're just going to see these amazing new lace wig grips that we have at rhythmwigs.com, and you get one of these with your first wig purchase. It is included. Why? It's included because before I started Rhythm Wigs, whenever I wore wigs with combs or any other of the clips or things like that, I always had a headache at the end of the day. And I noticed also that there was some hair breakage at the location of the combs. And so I looked for alternatives. You all know that I'm a licensed natural hair care specialist, so I really care about the hair underneath the wigs. And I don't believe that hair should hurt. And so I looked for an alternative to having combs or clips in my wigs, and I found this product. There are a lot of bootleg versions of these, and I've tried them, honestly, because they're a lot less expensive, and I wanted to see if they are as effective, and they are not. I tried them. The difference, I think, is the fabric that is used to make these versus the other ones that you can find on Amazon or at your local beauty supply. I'll show you what I mean in a moment, but these are really well made. Milano is the original, they are the inventor of this product, and I like it so much that I give this product free with your first wig purchase from Rhythm Wigs. So let me show you how this works and why I'm so excited about this particular new version of these wig grips. So I'm using my mannequin here from beauty school, and the older wig grips, well, first let me tell you what the wig grip does. So when you touch the wig grip or smooth the wig grip in this direction, it's very smooth and flat. But when you do it in this direction, you can kind of see that this creates a gripping around your hairline, and the wigs will stay because when you pull the wigs back, this fabric grabs the perimeter of the wigs and it stays in place. An incredible, it's like magic to me. Now, you don't want to go crazy, right? This is not for fighting, or I just had to say that. That's silly. But it's, if you're going to be on a ship and there's a lot of wind, even though I used them when I was on my cruise in May and I didn't have any issues with it, but you may have to use something else in addition to your wig grip to hold your wig in place. But for most occasions, this wig grip is just amazing. And I think I put a video that someone else made on how effective these were, and she showed them with her going to the gym and places like that. So I just want to show you. So basically what this is a band. It's called a wig grip comfort band, and it goes around your head with a Velcro enclosure here. So it's adjustable, right? It can be adjusted to any size head. And the older ones, all of it was this fabric. So the entire wig grip was this fabric. This lace portion was not in the original. But what they've done now is they've added this part here and this part, which is just brilliant because, as I've done here, if you line this opening, this lace opening, with the part on your, place it under the part of your wig, you will get a beautiful natural look to your part, okay? Because this part is now lace. Even though this didn't show too much, now it's invisible. And then also you have lace around your hairline, so that gives you a really natural front to your wigs also. I love it. I got so excited when I got my newest shipment, and I didn't know that they had the new ones. And so I hope you guys are excited too. I have them in this kind of beige color, and I also have the dark brown that you can order, or you can get it free with the purchase of a rhythm wig, with your first purchase of a rhythm wig. So I just wanted to show you that because it's my new latest obsession. And check them out, and check me out at rhythmwigs.com. That's RHYTHM wigs.com. This is Angela. Talk to you next week. Bye-bye. So guys, you're not going to believe this. I finished the video and I looked, and there was a text message from a friend of mine who is on a cruise with her new rhythm wig, and I'm going to share some of the pictures. She sent them from the balcony. I tell you, God is always aligning things like that in my life. So I wanted to share with you her experience with her WiGrip on a beautiful cruise to, where does she go? To St. Kitts and Puerto Rico and the Bahamas. Bye-bye.